Working with Johnsen Law, they've provided a lot of value for our company. We've done a lot of acquisitions and mergers with brokerages that maybe weren't in the best position going in to purchase them. But with each of those negotiations, we had the support with Johnsen Law to help us figure out what was the best strategy of going in to make sure it was going to be a good connection for the current company that we already have. And we've also been able to walk away from some companies that were not going to be a fit for culture and what we were actually already doing.
I was introduced to Chris Johnsen in Johnsen Law by a mutual mortgage broker. And at the time, he and I, the mortgage broker, had conversations about, I'm looking for an attorney to draft our loan docs, someone who I can trust, that I can talk to, that when I call picks up the phone, that I want to walk through the deal with. I've got some content and feedback with the attorney. And coincidentally, our attorney that we've had for years, he retired. And he was just no longer working, and that was, for me, some big shoes to fill because we make commercial real estate loans. So I am looking for someone who is knowledgeable in real estate, who I can trust as an advisor because we're offering credit in hopes that we have an instrument that's documented and enforceable.
Before hiring Johnsen Law, we had a lot of concerns of finding the right law firm to partner with because we were not looking for a one-time representation. We're looking for a partner sort of for life because as you're growing your businesses and as you're building your history line of what you do in business, you want somebody that can be with you for long term to be aware of the foundation that you're building. Being in the real estate market, our schedules are all over the place. And once I met Johnsen Law, they were able to take the time, figure out when was the best time to meet, and they've been consistent on that ever since.
That have kind of multiple, different specialties within real estate. And so Melissa Watson, she has been awesome. She drafts our docs, and she is a wealth of knowledge when reviewing title commitments. And for me, that's not what I do every day, right? That's what they do. And having somebody that I can trust, that knows what I don't know, is huge.
So I knew that I needed a good law firm to represent me. I've known Chris through social channels. I know he's a good guy, and I didn't know if he was a good lawyer or not until I really started working with him. And then the deeper we got into it, and the more that we were involved with each other, the more I knew that he really understood the law and also the business side of what we were doing, and it just made sense for me.
So I met Chris. Quite frankly, I think we hit it off, and he has become our only source for commercial real estate transactions.